Hi, I'm Paul Young. I'm Director and Chief Lighting Engineer at LED Lights for You. Now, this is a 400 watt metal halide. Most factories have got one, or the odd 100. And the 150 watt high bay LED tube, or the 150 watt LED disc. Now, let's talk about the economics. First of all, this is using 458 watts. So if you multiply that by, say you've got a factory, it's 50 hours a week, 50 weeks a year, that's 2,500 hours a year. So once you multiply that, the kilowatt hour is 0.48 times by your energy cost, and let's say you're on 12.5p, that means that this is costing you £143 a year to run, plus of course you've got to replace the bulbs, so they can be £25 each. You might replace them every year, you might replace them in 4 years, but you will be replacing them. So roughly this is about £150 a year to run. And some factories, like for example GWT, have got hundreds of these. If you had 100 of them, then you're talking around about 15 grand a year to run them. So let's compare that. This is an LED high bay tube. It's got a wide beam. It's got a beam of about 120 degrees, whereas these are about 90 degrees. This is a high bay 150 watt disc. It's similar technology. It's the same. We use Philips LEDs, and this has got a beam angle of about 110 degrees. The difference is that these cost you £46.80 a year to run. So if you're 100 of those, that's £4,680. That means you saved £10,320 in the first year. And remember, they're going to last 15 to 20 years. So that's hundreds of thousands of pounds. Now, these high bay tubes give out 23,000 lumen, which means they're actually brighter than these. They've got a better light spread. So are these. This is a slightly different type of fitting. I'd use this in a warehouse. If I was in a body shop or an engineering shop, workshop, I would use these because they've got a wider beam angle. So they both come with a 10-year warranty, absolutely no maintenance. So your choice is, you want to save £10,000 odd a year, then replace your 100 of these with these. If you've got a warehouse, you might not need as many units. We can often cut the number of units by 30%. That's an even bigger saving. So if you book a survey with us, we can tell you what you need and what's the best thing for you. So thanks very much for watching. It's Paul Young, LED Lights for You.